Hello YouTube. So today I received this one. It's a package again from China, and it should be a portable, like a clamp for a GoPro camera. So let's do it. Let's open this one. Let's see. What's inside? Ooh, nothing in there. That is huge. That is really huge comparing to what I thought. It comes with this one. And oh my god, that's big. That is big. And the power, it's, oh my god, man. Ooh. So let's try it. I can tell you that it's very well built, and I like the quality of the plastic, and it's really nice right here. All this resin. You see right here. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm not afraid of this one to put it, stick it somewhere. Oh. Yeah, so that's it basically. That's crazy. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.